The AI bot can respond to inquiries, compose essays, condense texts, and generate software. However, at its core, it lacks genuine comprehension of truth. Regardless of your interest in artificial intelligence, it's crucial to take notice of ChatGPT as it represents a significant advancement in the field. So, is ChatGPT a big deal? Let's find out. ChatGPT has gained a lot of attention for its impressive abilities. It showcases remarkable knowledge in domains with substantial training data to learn from. Although it falls short of being all-knowing or surpassing human intelligence entirely, it displays creativity, and its responsive can be remarkably authoritative. Tools launched attract an overwhelming response with over 1 million users trying it out within a few days. However, caution is advised, as OpenAI warns that ChatGPT comes with various potential pitfalls, some obvious while others are more subtle. OpenAI's CEO Sam Altman tweeted a warning stating that relying on ChatGPT for anything important at the moment is a mistake. He acknowledged that much work must be done to improve its robustness and truthfulness. Despite these challenges, the significance of ChatGPT and its ongoing developments cannot be overlooked. Moreover, ChatGPT has become a significant business venture. In January, Microsoft committed to investing billions of dollars into OpenAI. A modified version of ChatGPT's underlying technology now powers Microsoft's new Bing search engine, which aims to challenge Google search. Furthermore, this technology is intended to be integrated into various aspects of users' digital lives, serving as an AI co-pilot. Bing utilizes OpenAI's technology to process search queries, aggregate information from different sources, provide document summaries, create travel itineraries, respond to questions, and engage in human-like conversations. The possibility of revolutionizing search engines is present. However, the technology has been plagued with factual errors and erratic conversations. OpenAI has unveiled ChatGPT, an advanced long-form question-answering AI designed to respond to intricate queries conversationally. This groundbreaking technology stands out as it is trained to comprehend the intent behind human questions, making a significant leap in AI capabilities. So what exactly is ChatGPT? OpenAI has created ChatGPT, a chatbot utilizing the GPT 3.5 architecture known as large language model. Its standout feature is its impressive capability to engage in natural and conversational dialogues, offering responses that can closely resemble human interaction. The purpose of large language models is to anticipate the next word in a sequence of words. During training, ChatGPT's well-organized paragraphs and sentences were archived through reinforcement learning with human feedback, RLHF. This layer helps the model learn to follow instructions and respond satisfactorily to users. Who built ChatGPT? ChatGPT was developed by OpenAI, an AI company based in San Francisco. OpenAI Incorporated is the nonprofit parent organization for the for-profit OpenAI LP. OpenAI is renowned for its notable creation called DALL.E, a deep learning model capable of generating images based on textual prompts. Did you know that the current CEO of OpenAI's is Sam Altman? He previously held the position of president at Y Combinator. Additionally, Microsoft is a major partner and investor, contributing a whopping $1 billion. Together, they worked on creating the Azure AI platform. So how does ChatGPT work? ChatGPT operates on OpenAI's language model architecture called Generative Pre-trained Transformer, GPT. Specifically, the GPT used in ChatGPT is fine-tuned from a model within the GPT 3.5 series, as stated by OpenAI. For those with a subscription to ChatGPT Plus, access to ChatGPT with GPT-4, which is OpenAI's most advanced model, is available. These generative AI models are trained on vast quantities of internet data, encompassing websites, books, news, articles, and more. The language model underwent fine-tuning through supervised learning and reinforced learning. What sets ChatGPT apart is the utilization of reinforcement learning from human feedback, RLHF. ChatGPT's performance and interaction ability have greatly improved with the help of human AI trainers who act as both users and AI assistants in various conversational scenarios. The model now comprehends user intent and offers more fitting responses with better contextual relevance. With ChatGPT at your disposal, you might be curious about the questions you can pose. You can ask me about almost anything. The possibilities are endless. However, please note that I may not have an answer to every question. To make it easier for you, OpenAI provides suggested categories to explore. For instance, you can use ChatGPT to delve into complex topics like explaining physics or to seek creative ideas for planning a birthday party. Additionally, ChatGPT can be a valuable resource in providing assistance and guidance if you encounter programming challenges. This unique approach has improved the model's performance and interaction ability. However, you may be wondering what types of questions are possible to ask using it. You have the freedom to ask anything, but you're not guaranteed to receive an answer. OpenAI provides some suggested categories, such as explaining physics, seeking birthday party ideas, and getting programming assistance. Across numerous Twitter accounts, ChatGPT has garnered significant praise praised for its astounding capabilities. Users have showcased how it can generate art prompts and even write code, lending to bold statements that Google is obsolete, suggesting that ChatGPT has surpassed traditional search engines in certain aspects. Additionally, some users have been impressed with its ability to aid in writing college essays, implying that it may have surpassed conventional writing tools. The enthusiasm surrounding ChatGPT's potential and achievements on social media is a testament to its remarkable impact and versatility. How was GPT trained? ChatGPT's training process was built upon an extensive dataset, incorporating diverse information such as code and internet data from platforms like Reddit discussions. Using ChatGPT 3.5 as its foundational model, ChatGPT gained the remarkable ability to emulate natural conversations and develop responses akin to human interactions. During the training phase, ChatGPT's capabilities were improved by implementing a state-of-the-art technique called reinforcement learning with human feedback, RLHF. Innovative method provided the AI with human feedback, enabling it to better understand user expectations when asking questions. Unlike the conventional objective of merely predicting the next word, RLHF focused on aligning language models with human intent, resulting in a more contextual, relevant, and user-friendly interaction experience. This groundbreaking approach marked a significant step in natural language processing and AI training methodologies. Is ChatGPT free? Interesting question, right? Currently, ChatGPT has both a free and a paid version. OpenAI introduced the paid version in January, offering faster response times and continuous availability even during peak usage hours, when the free version might display a message stating ChatGPT is at capacity right now. You can sign up on a waiting list if you want to access the paid version. However, it's important to note that ChatGPT comes with significant computing costs. OpenAI's CEO Altman mentions that the expense per response are substantial, estimated at a few cents each. Additionally, OpenAI charges for DAL-E art once you exceed a certain fee usage level. Despite these costs, OpenAI has attracted customers, likely due to the appeal of its GPT tools. The company has shared its ambitious revenue projections with potential investors, stating an expectation of $200 million in revenue for 2023 and an impressive $1 billion in revenue for 2024, as reported by Reuters. What are the limitations of ChatGPT? OpenAI emphasizes that ChatGPT can provide incorrect answers and may give a misleading impression of greatness, as stated by Alt. Occasionally, the AI helpful warns users of its limitations. For instance, when asked about the origin of the phrase, "the squirming facts exceed the squamous mind," ChatGPT acknowledged its inability to browse the internet and responded based on its training data. However, it is cautioned that judging the meaning without additional context is difficult and offered one possible interpretation. While ChatGPT's responses may appear authoritative, they can be inaccurate. When posed with well-structured questions intended to yield accurate answers, it often delivers coherent and seemingly credible responses akin to those from an esteemed Harvard professor. However, it may generate nonsensical replies if presented with unexpected or unconventional queries. The ability of large language models like ChatGPT to respond is a remarkable advancement in computing. Traditionally, computers are known for their strict adherence to precise syntax and interface rules, refusing to function without strict adherence to these requirements. However, large language models are introducing a more human-friendly approach to interaction, offering answers between replication and creative output. The newfound capacity to bridge the gap between human-like interaction and generating responses is a noteworthy development in computing. Considering these factors, how can one prepare for a future filled with generative AI? Individuals will always resist adopting new technology, citing reasons such as considering them dumb or useless or fearing they could replace their jobs. Regardless of the arguments or the strength of the anti-technology sentiment, once these innovations emerge, there's no way to revert to how things were. From our point of view, technological processes such as ChatGPT will inevitably result in job loss. ChatGPT's capability to generate a preliminary draft of a job advertisement within seconds, saving numerous hours of manual labor in brainstorming, typing, and editing, will undeniably provide more free time. This extra time can be used for more important tasks that can be performed by a wide variety of less skilled employees with the aid of AI. Acknowledging that advanced tasks require training and foundational knowledge is the relevant subject matter is imperative. Therefore, we strongly advise individuals to adopt AI and acquire the necessary skills to maximize its potential and take their work to a higher level of sophistication. If you're currently watching this video, you're already ahead of your peers in the workplace. We encourage you to incorporate tools like ChatGPT and generative AI in your professional environment whenever feasible and utilize them to acquire new skills. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on our latest content.